Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, it's gonna be a little different because I am going to be trying on and unboxing some contact lenses. So, just for Kira, colored contacts, reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to, try their contact lenses. Now, I'm a contact lens wearer on a daily, and I figured why not? And, I was able to check out their website. They're very affordable and they have really nice colors. So I'm like, why not? So they were kind enough to send me 4 pairs of colored contact lenses. I have one of them on right now. And yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So, like I said, I am going to be unboxing and of course trying on these 4 pairs of contact lenses from JUST4KIRA. This is my first time. Now, I am a contact lens wearer on a daily. I can't see. And yeah, why don't we just jump in, alright? So, this is one of the pairs. And I'm gonna get into names and everything, but this is what it came in a cute little box, and it has JUST4KIRA contact lenses. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, but if you open it, it says JUST4KIRA. It comes with a little card that says thank you for your order, and yeah, basically tells you how to put in your contacts and how to remove your contacts, which is beneficial for someone that doesn't know or is not familiar with contact lenses. And then here are the 4 pairs that I was able to pick out. And of course they come, since there's 4 pairs, they gave me 4 contact lenses right here, which I haven't opened these, so why don't we do that? So here is the clear case right here. And I was also able to get them in my prescription, so I am able to see with these contacts. Now we're gonna go ahead and open it, and this has the tweezers, I guess, to pull them out. And it also has this little suction where you can just, pick them up from your little case and then put them on your eye. To be honest with you, I've never used any of these tools. I just use my fingers. Of course, make sure your fingers are clean because we don't want to infect our eye. But I've never tried these, so this is going to be a learning curve for me as well. But it comes with every case, which I think it's really nice, just in case you do travel somewhere, you're staying over, you have your little case and your little tools. All you need is like a contact solution. Me, on the daily, I use the, I can't pronounce this, BioTrue multi-purpose solution. Works like your eyes. I use this on a daily for my contacts. So just gonna put this on right here. So those are the cases right there. And again, these are the 4 pairs of contact lenses. The ones I have on right now are called Neil, which are like this, like brown eye, I guess. Yeah, they look brown. Let me get my mirror. Yeah, they're like a light brown hazel eye, kind of. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see, but this is what Neil looks like right here. And also in the box it tells you your prescription. just in case they are different. Mines are different, so you have to, you know, pay attention to which one goes where. But it tells you the name of the contact lens, and then it tells you your measurements for whichever eye. So yeah, like I said, this is the shade Neil, as you can see. Really pretty, very subtle, love that. Now I'm gonna remove this, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what the other ones look like. So hang tight. Alrighty, so I'm back, and yeah, the application was very smooth. I didn't use any of the tools just because I'm not used to them. I used my fingers, and so yeah, they look really nice. Really nice. Actually, they're like a sky blue color. They're really pretty. They're really pretty. I like these. And they look natural, I would say. They don't look fake at all. They look really nice. They're very mesmerizing too. I like them. I like them a lot. So yeah, this is again the shade Aurora. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see the color, but now I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna try the next color. Alrighty, so this is a third pair, and these are called Glitter G Violets. And how fun are these? These are like a purpley pink sort of color. Yeah, they're so fun. They're really fun. I am really enjoying these. I like them a lot. But what do you guys think? And of course, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. And again, they were very easy to apply. I didn't use any of the tools. Again, I'm used to my fingers, but they were easy to apply. They feel really comfortable on the eyes. Now I do have to I guess test out the wear time, so maybe I'll wear one of these to work and see how comfortable they are. But yeah, they feel really comfortable on the eyes. I actually don't feel them on. But yeah, I really like these. These are really fun. Alrighty, on to the last pair, and then I'll give you my thoughts and my first impressions. So yeah. Alrighty, so this is the last pair, and these are in Grace Green. It comes in a little box like this, just for Kira. How cute is the packaging? So pretty. And they do come in a really airtight, like airtight case. And yeah, this is in Grace Green, and wow, these are super pretty. Oh my gosh, like wow. I don't even recognize myself with these really light green eyes, but they're really pretty. Really pretty. So if you like switching up your styles depending on the vibe or the look, you know, these are very affordable. I'm gonna have everything down linked in the description box. They were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys, so if you want to try these out, I mean, as you can see, I picked out 4. I didn't know what I was getting myself into, or what kind of colors or how they were gonna look on me. But the first shade that I tried on was in Neil, which was like a brownish, like a hazel brownish color, and as you can see, that looked very wearable. It was very subtle. And then I tried the pink one, which I thought was really fun, like for festivals or for whatever it is that you want to wear. Or this one, this looks mesmerizing. This and the blue one, they're really they're very, what's the word, they're other than fun, they're very mesmerizing, I guess. Because wow, the color is just really pretty. So yeah, if you're interested, you can give them a try. Like I said, I'm gonna have their website down in the description box. I'm gonna have the 4 colors that I did try on, And yeah, and if you know you're interested, you're more than welcome to use my discount code. If not, that's okay too. But yeah, I kind of want to order more shades just because I'm really impressed. And they also have my, like I said, my prescription, so I am able to see with these. So yeah, even with my prescription, they were still affordable, which I like. So yeah, I'm really happy. And besides the colors, they are very comfortable. They were very easy to apply. I didn't have any issues. Now my only thing would be, you know, trying them on for an entire day to see how comfortable they are, which I think I'm gonna take one of these to work today and test it out. I'll probably leave an update down in the description box as well, maybe towards the end of the day or tomorrow, so you guys can know how well they wore. But yeah, I'm pretty excited, and thank you so much for Just for Kira for giving me the opportunity to try these contact lenses. They were really fun, and yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, that's all for me for today. I really hope you enjoyed this different type of video, and yeah, I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.